Managing Cloud Costs with FinOps, a Strategic Approach. Welcome to this training module on managing cloud costs with FinOps, brought to you by CloudMasters Inc. In today's cloud-driven business landscape, organizations rely more than ever on cloud infrastructure to maintain agility and foster innovation. However, along with the benefits of cloud adoption, managing costs effectively has become a significant challenge. This training will guide you through the core principles of FinOps, a financial operations framework that integrates financial accountability and operational efficiency, ensuring businesses can optimize cloud spending while supporting their growth. Let's have an overview of cloud spending challenges and FinOps. In the modern digital era, cloud computing has become an essential enabler for businesses. However, with this adoption comes the challenge of managing cloud costs, which can quickly spiral out of control without proper governance. Unoptimized cloud usage, over-provisioning, and lack of cost visibility are some of the common pitfalls. In this session, we'll focus on FinOps, a discipline designed to bridge the gap between finance and operations teams, specifically DevOps, driving cost efficiency in the cloud. This module will outline how cloud financial management can be approached strategically, ensuring that costs are tracked, monitored, and optimized across departments. Key learning objectives: understanding FinOps and its significance in cloud cost management, identifying tools and practices to monitor and optimize cloud spending, exploring right-sizing, savings plans, and financial accountability frameworks. What is FinOps? FinOps, short for financial operations, is an emerging practice that combines financial management with cloud operations. It emphasizes collaboration between finance, engineering, and operational teams to drive better financial decision-making. The goal of FinOps is to ensure every team in the organization takes responsibility for cloud usage and costs, promoting visibility, forecasting, and optimization. Key FinOps pillars: collaboration, cross-departmental efforts between finance, DevOps, and product teams to promote cost efficiency. Visibility, transparency in cloud costs, and the ability to link spending to specific business units, projects, and departments. Optimization, ensuring that resources are used efficiently, reducing waste, and aligning cloud expenditure with business needs. The FinOps lifecycle consists of 3 phases: inform, understanding and analyzing cloud costs; optimize, reducing waste and maximizing efficiency through cost-saving measures; operate, continuous improvement and monitoring of cloud costs to ensure long-term optimization. FinOps transforms cloud cost management into a proactive rather than reactive process, empowering organizations to get the most value out of their cloud investments. Tools for monitoring cloud costs. Effectively managing cloud costs requires the right set of tools. The leading cloud providers, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, offer built-in solutions that provide valuable cost insights. AWS Cost Explorer visualizes usage patterns, forecasts spending, and identifies potential savings opportunities. Azure Cost Management Plus Billing provides a comprehensive view of cloud spending across different services, along with recommendations for cost savings. Google Cloud Cost Management offers detailed breakdowns of cloud spending, enabling businesses to forecast costs and optimize resources. Third-party tools offer additional functionality, helping teams manage multi-cloud environments or gain more granular insights. Cloud Health provides advanced reporting, optimization recommendations, and visibility across multi-cloud environments. Cloudability specializes in cloud cost optimization, providing actionable insights into resource usage, helping teams optimize workloads and identify potential savings. Spot.io uses AI and automation to optimize workloads in real time, improving the efficiency of cloud infrastructure by dynamically scaling resources based on demand. Each of these tools helps visualize cloud spending, identify trends, and take actionable steps to reduce costs while maintaining performance. Best practices for FinOps. Success. To make FinOps a success, businesses must follow several key best practices. 1. Right-sizing resources. What is it? Right-sizing involves continuously analyzing cloud resources to match actual workload demands. The goal is to avoid over-provisioning and paying for unused capacity. How to achieve it? Use performance monitoring tools to evaluate utilization and downscale underused resources. Cloud-native tools like AWS Trusted Advisor or Azure Advisor provide recommendations for right-sizing. Benefits. Right-sizing can lead to substantial savings by cutting down on idle or over-allocated resources, ensuring that spending aligns with actual usage. Let's look at a real-world example. Dropbox once faced escalating cloud bills due to over-provisioned resources and unused capacity. By employing cloud right-sizing and optimizing its infrastructure, Dropbox saved millions of dollars in cloud costs over time. 2. Leverage savings plans and reserved instances. What is this? Many cloud providers offer savings plans and reserved instances, RIs, that provide discounted pricing in exchange for long-term usage commitments. For example, AWS savings plans can offer up to 72% savings over on-demand pricing. How to achieve it? Analyze usage patterns to predict future demand and make commitments where appropriate to lock in discounted rates. Benefits. Committing to reserved instances for predictable workloads helps reduce costs, especially for stable, long-running services. Let's look at a real-world example. Lyft, a leading ride-sharing company, used AWS savings plans and reserved instances to drastically reduce its cloud spending. By committing to long-term usage for certain workloads, they saved up to 50% on compute costs, allowing them to reinvest those savings into product innovation. 3. Set budgets and alerts. What is this? Implementing budgets and alerts can help teams stay within spending limits. How to achieve it? Cloud providers offer built-in tools like AWS budgets and Azure cost management, which allow businesses to set spending thresholds and receive alerts when nearing those limits. Benefits. This enables better financial forecasting and reduces the risk of unexpected cost overruns. Real-world example, The Guardian. The Guardian newspaper used cloud budgets and alert systems to stay within their cloud cost boundaries. By setting strict budget limits and receiving alerts before reaching those limits, The Guardian managed to maintain financial control over their cloud expenses, avoiding budget overruns. 4. Automation and AI-driven cost optimization. What is this? Using automation and machine learning to optimize workloads can help businesses ensure they're always operating efficiently. How to achieve it? Tools like Spot.io or AWS autoscaling can automatically adjust resources to match demand, reducing waste and enhancing efficiency. Benefits. Automation reduces the need for manual intervention and ensures that cloud environments scale dynamically based on real-time workloads, leading to optimized costs. Let's look at another real-world example. Airbnb utilizes AI-powered cost management tools to dynamically allocate resources based on traffic demands. This approach allows Airbnb to optimize cloud infrastructure costs while ensuring performance remains high during peak times, such as holidays or major events. Conclusion: the FinOps journey. Adopting FinOps practices is vital for managing cloud costs effectively in an era where cloud usage continues to grow. By fostering collaboration between finance, engineering, and operations teams, using cutting-edge cost management tools, and following best practices like right-sizing and leveraging savings plans, organizations can achieve financial efficiency in the cloud. Key takeaways. Collaboration is the cornerstone of FinOps, enabling teams to take ownership of cloud costs. Monitoring tools help maintain visibility and track spending. Best practices, such as right-sizing and savings plans, help organizations make smarter financial decisions. FinOps is not just about cost cutting. It's about making informed decisions that drive value. The successful implementation of FinOps can transform cloud financial management, making cloud expenditures more predictable, optimized, and aligned with business objectives. Real-world example summary and what they achieved. Dropbox successfully reduced cloud costs by focusing on right-sizing. Lyft achieved massive savings with reserved instances and savings plans. The Guardian managed cloud spending effectively by setting budgets and alerts. Airbnb optimized resource usage through AI and automation. Thank you for participating in this training module, and we encourage you to start applying FinOps principles to promote financial accountability within your organization. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, like, and share. Thank you.